Hello students, my name is Manas Kumar of class 9C from Alpha Public School, Bola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Today I am going to represent my topic cell division. So first of all, what is cell division? Cell division is a process in which parent cell divide into two daughter cell. This process is called cell division. So cell division is of two types. First is mitosis and second meiosis. Mitosis and meiosis. In this video, we will discuss about mitosis. So first of all, what is mitosis? Mitosis is also called personal division. The parent cell divides into two daughter cell, and each daughter cell and parent cell have the same number of chromosomes. And meiosis is also called reductional division. In meiosis, the parent cell divides into two daughter cell, and both daughter cell and the parent cell have the half number of chromosomes. Cell division divides into two parts, mitosis and meiosis. So first of all, what is mitosis? We can say mitosis is also called personal division because the parent mitosis, the parent cell divides into two daughter cell, and each daughter cell and parent cell have the same number of chromosomes. That's why this is called personal division. In mitosis parent cell divides into two daughter cell. It helps in repair of tissue. And it also helps to growth. And meiosis. So what is meiosis? Meiosis is a reductional division. Why it is called reductional division? Because in meiosis, the parent cell divides into two daughter cell, and each parent cell and daughter cell have the half number of chromosomes. That's why this is called reductional division. Meiosis it helps in formation of gametes. So, I am going to discuss about mitosis. So this is a well-level diagram of mitosis. This is a mother cell, and it has chromosome 2, and then it will DNA duplicate DNA, and in this cell the centrioles will come in both opposite poles, and it helps in cell division. Then it divided into two daughter cells, and the mother cell and the daughter cell both have same number of chromosomes. So this is all about my topic. Thank you.